exam response, I will talk about the unit itself. So, angles and angle measurement. In geometry, an angle is defined as the unit of two non-collinear rays with common endpoint. The definition restricts the angle measured between O2 and 180 point is exclusive. The unital position of the ray will reference to as the tensile side of the angle and position of the ray. At the end of its situation will be called terminal side of the angle. The pointed as the terminal side. The endpoint of the ray is the vertex of the angle. Example, draw the vision. Punta. 45 degree. Solution. Use the positive side of the x-axis as the initial side and protractor. Protractor as so, mata. This is positive. 25. Then, kung mo siya ini siya factor, idulong mo siya sa center. Anak. Then, 45 siya positive, yung siya pangitaon ng 40. Mag-ihap ka o 155. Pero na nag-dere, itong mga kabuka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dire siya, dire. Imo siya, tuldoon. Imo siya ingatan. No? Okay. Wala. Na, imo siya ito. Okay. 45. Mana?